Although the iPhone 11 was released not too long ago, many users are already looking forward to the next generation of iPhone. We are talking not only about the iPhone 12 but also about the long-awaited iPhone SE 2. In this regard, today we have some fresh renders based on what we know about the next iPhone SE 2. The renders are from YouTube. As we can see in the pictures, the iPhone SE 2 again demonstrates the rougher design of the original iPhone SE with a flat metal frame and no curved frame. Moving to the back of the phone, here we have a very similar design to the iPhone 11, with a rectangular camera module. Meanwhile, the volume rockers have a rounded design again. As for the specifications, previous rumors suggest that the iPhone SE 2 will use a 4.7-inch LCD screen. The chipset will be the same A13 as the iPhone 11. It also only supports 4G connectivity, comes with 3GB LPDDR4X RAM, 6 4GB/128GB NAND flash, and does not support 3D touch. Recall that Apple has patented a new technology that will be introduced in the brand new iPhone 12 2020. It is a fingerprint scanner, which will be introduced under the screen, as is already done by Chinese manufacturers.